What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to grow your hair faster with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has a lot of benefit for your hair, your skin, and it helps you lose weight as well. But today we're gonna just do something about how to grow your hair with aloe vera gel. I'll be showing you 3 ways to grow your hair faster with aloe vera gel. So if you're interested in how to do these remedies, keep on watching. Before we jump into this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like the video, and give me a big thumbs up. So one of the first thing you need to do before anything is cutting off a couple of the outer leaves of an aloe vera plant, and that's what I'm showing you right now. Before I even use it for any kind of remedy, you have to make sure you cut it off so you can use the aloe vera gel. While I'm cutting it and blending it before using it for any kind of thing, I'm gonna give you a quick story of aloe vera and its importance in your daily hair routine. Aloe vera gel is one of the most familiar of all herbal remedies, with a thick and clear gel that is ready to become a quick and easy to treat burns, speed healing, reducing risk of infection. When aloe vera found its way into European medicine, people used it to apply it externally to heal round and maintain a healthy skin. But internally, herbalists would prescribe it for stomach problema, headache, insomnia, hemorrhoid, constipation, diabetic problems, and more. Aloe vera is commonly used here in the US nowadays. But what about hair? As hair problem and scalp condition can slow down the process of hair growth, the aloe vera applied to the scalp of the hair to treat this problem in order for your hair to grow healthy. I personally prefer to use the gel freshly from the cut leaves because the so-called aloe vera juice of the market most of the times contains citric acid, preservative, juice of other fruit, and other chemical like aloe. Now let's see some benefits of aloe vera for your hair and your scalp. It is a great conditioner. It leaves your hair soft and shiny. It promotes hair growth by stimulating dormant hair follicles. It has antibacterial properties. It reduces dandruff and prevents itchiness of the scalp. It heals the scalp from minor burns and inflammation. Aloe vera contains compounds and enzymes that reduces pain, decreases inflammation, and repairs dead skin cells of the scalp. What more? As a matter of fact, a study of 30 people with second-degree burns uses an aloe vera cream containing 0.5% of the gel heals the burn faster than sulfadiazine, which is a cream people use it a lot as antibacterial cream. So aloe vera is a therapeutic herb that can give you better, faster, and more natural results for almost any kind of internal and external condition you may have. Investing in aloe vera plant in your backyard may be a good idea because it is a plant of dry climates that requires a little water. Now that I've finished to blend the aloe vera gel, let's move on to the next 3 remedies you can do at home to grow your hair faster using aloe vera gel. The first remedy is a leave-in conditioner. After you use a filter to take off all the chunks from the aloe vera gel, add 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of rosewater, 2 capsules of vitamin E. You can add some essential oil of your choice and shake it, and you can use it as any leave-in conditioner daily or every 2 days depending on how dry your hair is. The second treatment is an overnight hair mask. Very simple. You'll have to cut in multiple pieces 1 onion and add it to 1 cup of aloe vera gel, blend it, and use a filter as usual to take off all the chunks and apply it from root to tips with an applicator bottle every week. Both of these ingredients are powerful at growing your hair in no time. if you didn't see my videos on how to grow your hair with onion juice and how you can use it, this is one of the good one you can watch to grow your hair faster too. The last treatment is a nail mask that you can do after you shampoo your hair and then you condition your hair, and you can use this as a deep treatment. You can take half of a cup of aloe vera gel, you mix it with half of a cup of yogurt, and then you add 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and you add 1 tablespoon of honey. You can leave it for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You can do this every week because deep conditioning your hair every week is important in growing your hair. And then you rinse it with warm water. Did you know that Cleopatra, the Egyptian legend, used to massage aloe vera gel into her skin for a daily skin regimen? Yep, years ago in Egypt, people used to consider aloe as the plant of immortality. So now you have a better reason to use aloe vera gel on your skin and your scalp. But later, we'll be talking about how you can use it for your skin. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks in growing your hair the natural way, and see you soon for another video.